In this video, I want to show you how to install IDRISI Selva version 17. So this is the package. To install it, let me double click to open it. The first one is to come to this folder called install. Double click it to open it, and here you see the setup for IDRISI Selva. So to install it, right click and run it as administrator. Click on run. Click yes. The installation has started and it will take some minutes. When it brings this page, click next. Accept the license agreement and click next. Click next. Here you have to enter your name and the company. You can just give it a name like this and click next. So here it's going to be a complete setup. Choose this one and click next. So choose where you want to install it, and you can see the space requirements. Then click next. So if you want it for current user only, select current user only. In my case, I want it for all users, so I'll choose all users and click next. Click next, and you can see the installation is ongoing. So this will take some time, so wait for it. It's a series of installation. Just patiently wait for it. Yes, the installation is done. Click on finish. After that, move a step back. Then come to this patch. Right click and copy this file. Copied it. Then let's minimize this. If you come to your desktop, you can see the shortcut of IDRISI Selva. Just right click it and open the file location. So when it's open, right click here and paste the file you copied the other time. Paste. Click on replace the file in the destination. Click on continue. Yes, it has been replaced. We can close this page. Then come and double click to launch the software. You can see IDRISI Selva is coming up. Yes, this is the interface of IDRISI Selva. You can see it. So in the next video, we'll be looking at how to use IDRISI Selva. Thank you for watching.